Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Saga, where we bring you the most exciting car reviews and deep dives into the world of high-performance machines. Today, we're talking about one of the most aggressive and powerful SUVs ever built, the Lamborghini Urus Performante. The Lamborghini Urus Performante is not just an upgraded version of the Urus, it's a lighter, faster, and more track-focused beast, designed to push the limits of what an SUV can do. Lamborghini took an already powerful performance SUV and made it even sharper, making it a true super SUV in every sense. So, let's break it down and see what makes the Urus Performante so special. Starting with the design, the Urus Performante has a more aggressive and aerodynamic look than the standard Urus. Lamborghini has added more carbon fiber elements, a redesigned front bumper, and a larger rear spoiler to improve downforce. The Performante sits 20mm lower, has a wider stance, and features new air intakes for better cooling and aerodynamics. The carbon fiber hood, roof, and other lightweight components help reduce weight by about 104 pounds, 47 kilograms, compared to the regular Urus. At the rear, the redesigned diffuser and titanium acropovic exhaust system give it a sportier, more aggressive appearance. Every inch of this SUV screams Lamborghini performance. Now, let's talk about performance, the real reason why the Urus Performante exists. Under the hood, it packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 657 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Thanks to its lighter weight, improved aerodynamics, and tuned suspension, the super SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 190 miles per hour, 306 kilometers per hour. Lamborghini has reworked the torque distribution system, giving it even better cornering abilities and more grip on all surfaces. The rally driving mode is one of the biggest highlights, designed for high-speed off-road performance, making it perfect for drifting on dirt roads and rough terrain. Whether you're on a racetrack or a mountain road, the Urus Performante delivers a driving experience like no other SUV. Stepping inside, the Urus Performante offers a blend of luxury and high-performance racing elements. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather, creating a driver-focused interior. The sports seats provide incredible support, and there are performance-specific trim details throughout the cabin. The digital TFT driver's display and infotainment system provide all the driving data, navigation, and entertainment features you need. Lamborghini's Anima Drive Selector lets you switch between multiple driving modes, including Strada, Street, Sport, Corsa, Track, and Rally. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for a high-end multimedia experience. The combination of performance and comfort makes the Urus Performante one of the best luxury SUVs in the world. When it comes to safety, Lamborghini has packed the Urus Performante with advanced driver assistance systems to keep it stable and secure at high speeds. It features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for improved visibility. The carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, ensuring that this high-performance SUV can be controlled with precision. Lamborghini has designed the Urus Performante to be fast, aggressive, and safe, making it one of the most well-rounded performance SUVs available today. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Performante starts at around $270,000, but with custom options and special finishes, the price can go well over $300,000. Given its limited production, extreme performance, and Lamborghini badge, this SUV holds its value exceptionally well and remains one of the most sought-after super SUVs in the world. So, there you have it, the Lamborghini Urus Performante, a super SUV that combines extreme performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It's built for those who want the power of a Lamborghini but with the practicality of an SUV. Let me know in the comments, would you take the Urus Performante over a Ferrari Purosangue or a Bentley Bentayga Speed? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.